2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. In addition to its fantastic fit and finish, you'll also get multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, tinted windows, running boards and/or side steps, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, brake assist. This accident-free vehicle also gives peace of mind as it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.